Okay folks, now we want to download and install the Beaver Builder plugin and the Ultimate Beaver plugin. And I have links to what I'm going to discuss in this video in the resources section underneath this video. Okay, so there's links all to there to explain all of this. So you need to go to the Beaver Builder website here. And we need to go to pricing. And we don't need the Ultimate Agency, the Pro. We only need the standard version because we don't need the Beaver Builder theme. We definitely don't need a multi-site option, and we don't need white labeling. We just need the basic version to get building our site. So you will get started. You will go through the shopping cart, and then you will go into your account and you'll be able to download it, and you will do the same when you go over to the Ultimate Add-ons website. And here we just need the Ultimate Add-ons, the basic version. But the thing is, the Beaver Builder plugin is a yearly reoccurring subscription. I think there is a reduction on the renewals. I think it's 25%, maybe 50%. I'm not sure there now about that. No, it's 25 discount on renewals yet. And so the Ultimate Add-ons is annual as well, but they do have a lifetime deal there as well. So you only pay once and you get a discount there at the moment. So the thing is, to build the login and create pages, we need Ultimate Add-ons for that, because Beaver Builder doesn't have those modules. An important thing to note, Ultimate Add-ons does work with the free version of Beaver Builder. I've linked to the article and you can compare the Lite and the Pro. The thing is, I have more videos coming up here, how to add new users, new sign-ups, new users to your mailing list, and I have a video coming up about how to personalize the content in the recipe box and on your blog. Personalization, it's called, is becoming increasingly more popular, and you will need the Pro version of Beaver Builder to do that. So if you have a very basic site, you probably maybe just a free version with Ultimate Add-ons will do you, and you could go for the lifetime option. But if you want the personalization and other stuff, which we'll be getting into, you do need the Pro version. So maybe I should link to an article about personalization as well. But what I mean by that is, when somebody logs into your account, that it's the same. The easiest way to explain this is like on Amazon. Your content is, the content that they show you is based on website activity and information in your account. So it simply means when you log in, when somebody logs into the recipe box, we can create an account page that has their information on it, and it'll have their name there, so we can personalize the experience, that when they log in, it'll say, "Hi, Jonathan," and based on a survey and preferences that they select, say they like Asian cuisine and they have an allergy to eggs, so we can show them egg-free Asian recipes in their account. Or say they prefer children's recipes, that they're interested in lunch boxes and stuff like that. So the thing is, we can give them a very engaging, personalized experience. So I think it's a great idea, so that's why you need the Pro version of Beaver Builder. Yep, and the thing is, I have included templates as well for this course. I have a sample landing page, business page here, all about meal plans. And the thing is, you will need the Pro version of Beaver Builder to import the templates. They won't work with the free version. It's as simple as that. So I'm giving you a head start there, that I have a template to create a free account, and I have the log into your account page as well, all done for you. You can see there as well on this sales page, information page, we have a gallery. And I really like these galleries. And the thing is, there's actually a share option in those galleries for people to share your images as well, which is really cool. So I've done a video here as well explaining how the meal plan foodie classroom works that I've built. And that's the thing, I've seen people doing these meal plans and they don't show what's actually inside it. So it's a good idea, folks, to record a screencast there and to show the inside. And I have images here of how the recipe box will look on mobile devices, and I have an explanation paragraph here about it. And if you go over, I have a sample recipe card here as well that actually works. So I've embedded a recipe card into the landing page, and I have all the explanations here for the different parts of the recipe card, like portion control, recipe share, instructions, recipe notes, nutritional facts, and the digital timer is there that they can cook along cook mode so that the screensaver won't activate. And then we have a FAQ section here, and for your schema for SEO, there is the FAQ schema available for this as well. So, and you can create as many, well, I was going to say that, well, you can change any part of this, you can delete it, but I don't see why you do that. I don't think it'll be a good idea at all. But what I mean is, you can add as many questions here as you want. You know, if that's not limited, like there's no limit to that. The form is there, and you can move stuff around as well. All these elements can be moved around. So that's there. And actually, just on my own site as well, I just want to show you this. Like, these are images in the devices here, but I have a link here in the resources to go to my blog over on Catered Websites, and if you go there, you will see these videos that I've recorded, and they're actually recorded on my iPhone, and it shows how the recipe box works on the phone. And this is a service that I offer at Catered Websites. If you want videos done for your site, I'll be able to do them for you, and we'll build the landing page for you. I think this is a great idea. You know, it explains it all. I have videos there for each part for people, so you will have that. Like, people won't know how to use the recipe box, and you can do written tutorials and screenshots as well, but the videos are great. Like, so you can link to those video tutorials for your recipe box, so your visitors never get stuck. And I have an offer there for about the personalized explainer videos if you would like them for your site. And I've discussed all the different things that we've been covering in the videos, and I have links to sites that are some of the big blogs that are using that have recipe boxes. So enough about that. I'm back in my Foodie Pro Genesis Team recipe box website now. So I've purchased Beaver Builder and I've purchased Ultimate Add-ons, and now I want to install them. And in the next video, I will show you how to use how to import and use the templates, the free templates that I've given you. Forgot to say that the templates, I'll be showing you this in the next video anyway, that when you go over to Catered Websites and go to my shop, and there we have it, Meal Planner Business Kit for Foodie Pro, Genesis Team, and Beaver Builder by me. So while that's uploading there, showed you that, and we want to go back to Beaver Builder plugin, and we want to activate that. And there we are, folks. And now you will want to go and put your license key in there. So we will go back to add plugins, and we need to do the exact same thing for Ultimate Beaver. where is that? It's not Ultimate Elementor. I'll go to, and there we go, folks. Choose file, and it's called BB Ultimate Add-ons is the name of it, and we want to upload and install that. So there it is, folks. That's uploaded now, and we want to activate that plugin, and that's all there is to it, folks. We've purchased our plugins, downloaded them, and installed them to our site. So in the next video, we will import the templates for the landing page all about meal plans, and we will get the template for the create a free account page and the login page. So that's it, folks. See you in the next video.